Once you've logged into the administrative area of your website, you can begin making changes. Let's go ahead and make some changes on the home page. So first we'd click on Article Manager. As you saw me do, let's go to Home page, and when we click on Home, this is what's going to come up. A lot of these you can ignore, but we'll start with Home. And it will take us here. Now it'll initially show us a bunch of code, but after a few seconds it'll show us actually what it looks like on the website, and then we want to make it larger, which we'll show you how to do when it comes up. So it takes a few seconds for this to come up, and let's scroll down just a little bit. So we're going to grab that corner right there, pull that out, and then we can scroll down and pull that down a bit more so that when we scroll down, now we can see much more of the website. So as a subdomain, you don't want all this on your website. You only want your details. So we're going to take all of this and get rid of it. We just click on delete. So highlight it, delete it. Now we can enter whatever we want here. So in this case, we're going to enter that, and let's go with this number. Okay, and so what we do to make that larger is, oops, let me get this out of the way. So we click on there to move that so that we can see this section of all these different icons here. I'm not that computer literate. I don't even know what half this stuff is called, but I know how to operate what little I need to know. Okay, so we want to make this larger. We highlight that. We go up here to size. Let's make it, let's see how big it looks with that. Let's make it even larger. Let's go with there, and this one we're going to make larger as well. So let's go with that for now. Now let's go ahead and do that. Make it whatever size you want. I'm going to make one more line down here underneath this. We're going to go with this one. Oops. And let's make that 36 as well. So by having it that way, they can see that this number is the same as this. And you can make any changes you want in there. Now you see we've got a bit of white space. And because there's white space down here in this whole section is centered, then we've got some white space on top. So if we just do some entering in there like that, that will raise the whole thing up. Let's raise it up just a little bit more. There's probably better ways to do this. This is the way I do it, and this is the way you can do it too. It may not be exactly the way it's supposed to be done, but it works. It works for me, and by my showing you what I do, at least you can get it to do the same thing. So now Alan can enter more stuff right here if he wants, but basically that's how to change the text. So once you've done this, you want to come up to the top and either save and close, but let's go ahead and save and close. And we see that this is going to start to scroll across here, and because we've clicked save and close, it takes us back here. So thanks for listening, and all for now.